About a month ago on one of our live streams, we were talking about future challenges that we wanted to do for the ukulele, and somebody said we should do guilty pleasure songs, and everyone got really excited. They said, yeah, like the kind of stuff you hear on the radio that you really like but you don't tell anybody that you like. As we were chatting and getting super excited about this idea, I said, okay, we have to name it something kind of sassy, something kind of fun. This was all happening on our Instagram, by the way. I'm gonna put my Instagram here. The community there is so funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, so a user by the name Uke and Books said we should call it Uke Better Not, like you better not, you better not, you better not. And I love the idea because it has just the sass that we wanted. In the past, when we were thinking about challenges, I would think about songs that I thought would fit and do the tutorials. This time, I asked you all for your recommendations. The ones that were more frequent recommendations, like higher frequency, I put onto a ballot and you voted on your favorites. So now, drum roll, I'm gonna go from least voted to most voted. So number 10, Wannabe. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. That's scary, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, next, Since You've Been Gone. Since You've Been Gone. And then, Rah, rah, romance, bad romance. Then Africa. Dun, 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 dun. Even my cat got excited about that. Then number 6, You're My Wonderwall. Of course, I'm not a singer. I don't care. We're gonna have fun. Next, Jolene, Jolene. Next, You Are My Fire. Which one is that? Of course, Backstreet Boys, I Want It That Way. Now we're getting to the ones that people really, 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 really wanted. Somebody that I used to know, somebody. Number 2, this is probably one of the top 3 most karaoke songs. Don't Stop Believin'. Okay, you ready for number 1? Number 1, I would have never, ever, ever, ever added on a challenge because I didn't know that it was gonna be so highly requested. On number 1 spot, we have Dancing Queen. What? I would have never voted for that, but I mean, this is a challenge run entirely by you. So what I'm thinking is that if this challenge does well, meaning we have a lot of participants and the videos get a lot of views and comments and all that stuff, then we'll continue doing them this way, where you vote 100% for the challenge and for the songs in the challenge. Tell me what you think about that. Before we get started, I would like for you to get ready. Number 1, turn on notifications for this channel so that you'll be notified when a new tutorial comes up. Number 2, set up your uke zone. Your uke zone should be a space where you have everything that you need to play ukulele. You have your instrument, your tuner, your book stand, whatever it is you're using, have it all in one place. This is really going to facilitate your practice. Number 3, you need to decide that you're gonna finish the challenge no matter what. I think starting something is really easy, but to finish something is really difficult, and few people finish what they start. I mean, this is just the reality. I battle with it too. But I think if we all make a decision that we're in this and we're gonna do all of it and we're gonna stick it all the way through, then when we're at the finish line and we finish together, we're all going to feel like, yay, like we were in this together, we ran a marathon and we finished. Number 4, if you would like the printable resources, become a Patreon member. I'll have the link on the screen and down below. All of the music will be on the screen for you, so you do not need to become a Patreon member, but if you would like something that's printed out, that's there for you, you can become a Patreon member. Finally, if you would like to make some friends as you go through this challenge, join us on Instagram and follow this hashtag. Anybody who would like to post covers of themselves doing the songs from this challenge will be using that hashtag, and you can use the hashtag too. Excuse my cats, they're making a lot of noise because they're jumping. And you'll be able to see any... I've been getting into this little habit of giving away ukuleles on Instagram for people who are posting videos of themselves, and I thought it would be really cool to give away this banjo ukulele. So if you're posting videos of yourself and using the hashtag, you have an opportunity to win the banjolele. The more videos you upload, the higher your chances of winning, of course. A winner will be chosen 1 month after the last video in this challenge is posted, so that way you have a lot of time to post your entries. I'm so excited about this and I cannot wait for you to join us. I'll see you on day 1. Sayonara!